Hey, how's it going? I got a little bit of a review here. This is a kitchen garbage can for $21. Let's see what it's got. Your extra bags go in there. It's got a bunch of hardware in here. No idea what those are. I guess that's for hanging it. And apparently expands. Double its size. It hangs on the door. Would be nice if it does have a lip on it. If we could just put it right on the door, that would save me a lot of trouble. Let's try it out. Well, that works. I guess it would work either way. You can use it on the outside or the inside. Well, the inside really wouldn't work on this door because of the sink. It's lower. But if you put it on a cupboard that doesn't have a sink, like over here, it's doable. Let's see if see what it's like getting the bag in it. Sorry about the mess. Let's see. Just need the bag. Yeah, you know what? If you're in a pinch and you need a garbage can, this will work. Cool. Good enough. Later.